What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Son Goku After Future video. And in today's video, as I said, I will be teaching you guys how to get Ultra Ego. So, without further ado, let's get right on into it. So, to get as you guys probably already know from my form video, I already have Ultra Ego. If I scroll down here, see, I already have Ultra Ego. Ultra Ego is one tough of one to get because you have to master Super Saiyan Blue and Super Saiyan Blue Evolved. You have to have all of those up to 100, both of those up to 100. And then once you do that, then you have to die with a really low chance of getting it, and then you'll have yourself Ultra Ego. Well, that's really it, because Ultra Ego is probably one of the easiest forms to get besides Ultra Instinct. But leave a comment down below if you liked this video or not. And okay, that wasn't nice. But leave a comment down below if you liked this video and if I should post more of these. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Bye.